Okay, so this is a video introduction to Flux. It's a tiny library that's built on top of PIXI.js for creating declarative apps that is also interactive. Internally, it's based on PIXI.js and but only exposed some of the features like drawing shapes. So here's some debugging demos for PIXI, and first I'm going to show the demos that I built with Phlox. I think this is the reason why I built Phlox. That is to have some tools for creating interactive way to join things. In this demo, there's only a button that you can click it to refresh the example, and it's somehow using random colors here. And also for this demo, these two slots are going to skip the demos. And there's the characters, the random strokes here, and also when I want to draw some shapes, I want to try different parameters to control how I draw these lines. And this is only a demo of drawing cycloid with some parameters and using random numbers. And I may start with some smaller numbers, maybe. Okay, like in using this one and tuning these numbers, and see if I can get some nice shape. Okay, so this one may look good. This one is better, and let's try again. Oh, chaos. I think this one looks nice. See more lines and okay. Well, I give up and using random numbers to try different shapes. So this is the way I create with Phlox. That's I can tune the parameters and try different shapes. Also for this one, and for this one, they're very similar shapes, just controlled by the parameters and drawing with lines. Or maybe there's a single polyline. Well, rotation, bezier, controlling the bezier curve. For drawing fractals, we may need more points, and this is the example we draw with several. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and I can move the points and to explore for different parameters. And think this is okay. This is still quite interesting to draw like this. Okay, and also drawing Snowflake. Drawing some Snowflake. Add a button, and one more button for Snowflake, and then you let it shake. Oh no. So in this one, I'm going to draw the Snowflake fractal. So hope it looks like one. Using more points. Okay, this is the demo I draw, and this shape are similar. just the controlling the parameters and yep. Okay. The other example I trying to demonstrate is the rotation example. It's a tool that can control the rotation, and the size of the rotation, and also I can control the points here. Like I have some points and I drag to move the points to control the curve, and join it in a curve. Join it like this. Then I can control the parameter to rotate the shape and or to repeat it multiple times, or maybe less time, fewer times. So it's going to find a shape that it might look good or even might look bad. Okay, so this is the way I build shapes with Flux. And also you may notice there are some shortcuts to move the canvas, like holding the button shift and to drag to move the canvas, or hold the shift button to zoom in and so out with scroll. And also if you are opening this page with a pad, then you might find some button here, a very small, very that's not obvious, very hard to see, and can hold the button to zoom in and zoom out, and hold this button to move. Okay, so these are the features built inside the Flux in the tool. There's some other small demos of the widgets, like the slider or which I have, or input box, Chinese, and command enter to submit the button, submit the text, and some arrows, or spin to control the value, or spin anti-clockwise. Another feature exposed from PIXI is the mesh, or is drawing shader, just drawing use shader, which is a very performant way of using WebGL. Okay. So in total, it's using PIXI.js, and PIXI.js itself has so many features that are quite useful for building animations, building games. So you can also use the Flux PIXI, React PIXI, which is totally inside the JavaScript, and you may be familiar, and it has more features exposed. And for my own language, I'm going to demonstrate it's using a language called Calcite, and when I using it for Flux, I use Calcite emit.js to emit JavaScript to just out directly with the output might look ugly. Okay, anyway, and also I launch my own editor, which is called Calcite edit. Calcite editor. So it's a tree editor. I think it might be useful for editing expressions, since Calcite itself is a Lisp dialect. It's a ClosesScript dialect, and then launch it for the web page. So that's the web page. The thing I'm going to demonstrate is to add some and displaying the logs just to demonstrate it's still the previous page. I use in container to find the container, and find the tabs to to add another engine called demo. It's refreshing the page, and without reloading the whole page, it's just refreshing the app and hot updated the code. And also demo 2, demo 3, just rendering here. So it can be interesting. It can be very useful with hot updating or hot reloading. Or maybe we can take a look at some of the code, like using this rotation demo. It's building lists and building components of sliders, building drag points, and also drawing the graphic. Where's drawing the graphics? Rotation demo, list range, maybe that's drag point. Graphics. Oh, it's using the graphics here. The rotation and the graphics, and rendering the path. Okay. So here's the demo for Flux. Thanks for watching.